Hello, I'm in a 2017 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle is turned on, which this is. And then there's a couple different ways you could get to your phone options, but we'll click the phone button. And then you could also, from your home screen, go to phone here. And then from here, there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before you can add a new one. So let's say we don't want to delete this one. So now there's at least one spot free. So again, from your phones, we're gonna search device. And now from your phone, make sure Bluetooth's on, which is that symbol. And often if you press and hold it, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So from here, we're gonna look for a Chevy Malibu. Came up right away. Sometimes it might take a few minutes or a few tries. And then it's got this random PIN number, which does match. And you can also sync up your contacts and messages if you want to make it easier for taking calls. But we'll hit pair. And then yes, we'll confirm that that did match. And then now there's my phone. So we're now synced up. That says we're connected. So now you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music, things like that. Especially newer models, you often can sync up your maps as well. But yeah, from your menu now, your audio, if you go through source, you can see your Bluetooth here. So this is now on my phone. And if you're having issues with this working to play music, make sure on your phone you are playing your music you want to listen to, that the volume's on your phone, and then also that the volume's on your device here. But I hope all this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.